Yes, guys, in this session, let's learn how to fix shorts and opens. It might sound pretty straightforward, okay? Most of you, whoever have worked on layouts might have some idea about it. But then people who are new to it and, are struggling to figure out how to fix a short, okay? And how to fix the open, things become more easier to debug and fix if you actually understand how the tool works. Mainly how the physical verification tool works, how the tool treats these nets. So the thing what we are going to learn in here is a short session wherein we are trying to show you how to read the error messages given by physical verification tool so that it becomes easy for you to debug and fix your shorts and opens. Okay, let's directly jump into open. Okay, so now just look at this slide over here. We know that this is your caliber RVE and this is your error message which is showing. Now, the thing here is whenever the tool, the physical verification tool processes your data, the database, any net, if at all you have not given any label to it, the tool will give a arbitrary net number to it, a random net number. Okay, this has got a different net number and this has got a different net number altogether. That's how the tool works for the recognition and all that purpose, right? So now, if at all you have not given any label to it, keep in mind whenever you are running LBS, you are trying to match the layout with the schematic. So your schematic is the source, okay, and your layout is the one which you are trying to match. The physical implementation of your schematic is being implemented in the layout. So now whenever you come across this caliber RV window and you click on this discrepancy here and you come across this kind of a representation. If you see here on the source side, it says net 19. There's this underlying thing over here with net number 19. And when you hover your mouse over this, you'll be able to click on this and the tool will automatically highlight in the layout terminal on your active layout window. If you see here on the source side, there is one net and on the layout side, there are two nets. One net says net 19 and the other one says net 13. Okay, that's the easiest way to figure out that there is an open in your layout. Keep in mind, in the source side it is one net, and the layout side it is two net numbers. Ideally, what it is trying to convey here is, as per the schematic, there is supposed to be one net, but based on the LBS, it is pointing out at two nets, which means you are supposed to short these two nets. Short in the sense, connect these two nets so that your open gets fixed. So what you have to do is, this is the easiest way. One net on the source side, two nets on the layout side. Default, it is open. What you do is just click on net 19, it would highlight something like this. Click on net 13, it would highlight something like this. You just need to connect them together and your open is fixed. It's that straightforward and simple. Here, the GUI shows a caliber verification tool, but in majority of the physical verification tool, this is how it gets represented. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy for you to figure out how to fix a open. Sometimes, the new guys or guys who are not used to fixing these kind of things, it's better you understand and do the things. So this is how you easily figure out a open and fix it. So likewise, the other way around, the reverse thing of this is your shots. How to figure out the shots. Now just look at this, the RVE window. So as I said, we are trying to match the layout with the schematic. So in the schematic, here on the source side, it is showing two net numbers, net 13 and net 15. But in the layout side, it is showing as one net, which means that these two nets have been shorted together. It could be anything. It could be majorly because of human errors. The way you have made a connection by mistake, you might have put a wire or just extended a piece of metal or whatever. Default in the source side, if it is showing as two nets, in the layout side, it is showing as one net. it means there is a short. It is such simple as that. So you just click on this net, it would give a hand symbol when you hover your mouse over this. When you click it, it will highlight the whole path. It will give you multiple options of highlighting, you just highlight the path and trace over it. Just highlight the path which is traced, and you can see that, if you just zoom in into this common area here, you see that there is a short. There is some extra piece of metal which you have added. If I have to zoom in this section over here, right, it would show that there is this piece of metal here and this piece of metal. These two are not supposed to be connected. But for some XYZ reason, you ended up drawing some piece of metal which is causing a short between this net and this net. It's as simple as that. You just need to click on the net which is highlighted. Just go and fix this. Okay. There are multiple ways. This is a very simple and straightforward way of fixing a LVS run. There are multiple ways of fixing these things. Okay. So that's about your quicker way of fixing your short and open, trying to understand the way the tool gives you a message. So along with this, we've got specific courses highlighting on how to troubleshoot and fix LVS extraction errors. Here I've just shown you one simple example, but there are lots of errors, varieties of LVS errors, extraction errors, stamping conflict errors, missing devices, or incorrect bad component subtype, or probably property errors, blah, 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 lots of those. So you can learn all of these things in this particular course. And if you are interested in learning physical verification completely in detail, just the physical verification, which involves your DRC, LVS, and ERC. Okay, it's a complete course which not only talks about the normal physical verification, it talks about the flow as well as what exactly happens in the background. As of now, what we know that yes, DRC is something which you're trying to do the layout so that your layout can be fabricated, and LVS is something which you're trying to match your schematic. But there is a lot more going in the background. Okay, so we learn lots of those things. If you want to understand what exactly happens in the physical verification in the background, this is the course you should be looking for. And finally, lots of people were asking for different varieties of courses which are targeting or which are focusing on physical verification concepts. So we've also got, a course which is specifically talking about density related challenges, issues, which talks about different kinds of density errors. It's not just min and max. You've got Titan density. What else? You've got predicted density and how to fix those, blah, blah, blah. All of these things is mentioned in detail. And when you're already done with your whole design, if you're dealing with the top level, you should also know how to fix DFM errors, okay, and IP closure guidelines and sanity and QA checks. When you're delivering your IP, your design doesn't end only with your DRC, LVAS, density, and antenna. No, it doesn't. It doesn't stop there. Okay, you should also do something called as sanity and QA checks. Okay, which your top level lead or somebody does this. So as a layout engineer, it's also important for you to understand after you finish your module, is that all, or is there something else which goes on in the background before you deliver your design to the PD team or even to the customer? There are varieties of check. It's not just this. There are lots of these things which you have to take care before you deliver your GDS database. And we've also got an advanced quiz, as a part of this whole package, which talks specifically about physical verification. Okay? So this course is completely, we've put it into a 6-in-1 package over here. So that's all about your fixing shorts and opens and a little bit of information about what are the kinds of courses we've got on Semionics Academy specific to physical verification. Thank you.